Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Experian IdentityWorks for fraud alerts and authorization. To begin using Experian IdentityWorks for fraud alerts and authorization, visit the Experian website. Locate the IdentityWorks section on the home page. Click on the appropriate link to access the IdentityWorks service. Create a new account if you don't already have one. Fill in the required personal information accurately. Provide your email address and choose a secure password. Verify your email address by checking your inbox for a confirmation message. Once confirmed, log in to your new account. Navigate to the Fraud Alerts section within your account dashboard. Select the option to set up a fraud alert. Choose the type of fraud alert you wish to create. Review the information you've provided and confirm its accuracy. Submit your fraud alert request. You will receive a confirmation once the alert is activated. Keep a record of any reference numbers for future inquiries. Monitor your email for updates regarding your fraud alert status. When logging in next time, check for any notifications regarding your account. Adjust settings or update information as necessary. Ensure you regularly review your credit report for any unusual activity. Contact Experian directly if you notice any further issues. Follow these steps consistently to maintain your account security with Experian IdentityWorks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.